smashed one is from our farm. I want to cultivate it. You can actually cultivate fowl fish. Yes, welcome and welcome to my channel. So I'm currently on my way to our farm. Okay, we are going there to cultivate pepper. Pepper. Oh my god. Yeah. See you guys. So today we are going to be learning how to cultivate pepper. This one now we got it from our farm. We got it from our farm. So I will show you the process for it. Just if you get a fresh pepper like this, another thing is to get ash, smash the pepper and the ash together. Then spread it on any or something like this on the floor and allow it to dry. Then you are good to go. The next thing is for you to get make a bed or dig the ground or dig the soil. The next thing is for you to dig the soil or make a bed. So for this one is going to the market. We got it from our farm. Yeah, this is what we got from our farm. Maybe we got this one from our farm. Wait, let me show you how that one I explained looks like, because we prepared some that will be taken to the farm. Okay, let me show you. So right now this is the smashed one we did already. Okay, this red thing, I won't touch it with my hands, because whenever you are smashing it, make sure you wear a glove, make sure you wear something. So I have this thing. See, if I stay for a while, I'll come and turn it or check whether it has dried. This one we did it yesterday night. Can you see it? This red thing is the pepper. So after getting how you do it, you get the ripe one, the fresh red ones, or even the yellow one. They have yellow pepper, right? This is how they usually do it. So this is how we usually do it. You get it as fresh. Yeah, you get it. Then smash it with ash. After smashing it with ash, we leave it in something like this or something like this and allow it to dry. When it has dried, we take it to the farm for us to cultivate it. So, and at the farm, whenever you are spreading it, you have to also wear gloves, because the pepper will hurt you, because it's now open. So even this one that I touch with my hand, my hand is peppering me. It's hurting me. My hand is hurting me. So whenever I want to come and turn it, because it's rainy season, it's not like dry season, dry season. So I have to come every time to turn it as I'm doing right now. Come every time to turn it. Once it has dried, I will take it to the farm for me to cultivate it. Yeah, if you look very well, you see the seed. Yeah, this is the seed. This, I don't know whether you can see it. It has fallen. Yeah, this is the seed. The seed is too small. You may not see it. Yeah, look at this one. This one right here. This small thing. Yeah, this is the seed. So make sure you wear something, even when you will be spreading it in the farm or smashing it. So this is the Mercury ridge I'm talking about. Can you see it? Yeah, this is it. This is the pepper. And after making the bed like this, the next thing you are going to do is to spread manure on each of the beds. This one we are going to cultivate it very soon. In each of the ridges, sorry, not ridges, in each of the beds, what you're going to do first is to spread manure. Yeah, these are manure. These are manure. This one we have already spread manure on it. So it's even coming out. Look at it. Yeah, it's coming out small. I mean the pepper. Yeah, this is it. It's coming out small. Okay, these are the manure. This one is fowl feces. Fowl feces. So in the other place, in this place is garden egg. Yeah, the garden egg. Yeah, these are garden eggs. Garden egg beds. Yeah, got this one. Someone asked me whether you can regate this one during dry season. I told him that no, you can't irrigate it unless, because even this rainy season, once it has start producing the seed, and the seed starts to ripe, the next thing it's going to do is to start drying off, even during the rainy season. So if you want to do it every time, then what you are going to do is to, when it have dried, then you make another bed, or you can remove the stem from the beds and spread manure again, then spread the garden egg seeds, the ripe one that I have already preserved. You spread the seed on top of that place and mix it. You are going to mix it after spreading the manure. Then the next thing you are going to do is to mix the manure with the sand, with the soil. After mixing it with the soil, then you spread the garden egg seed, the ripened one that you have preserved, the dry one I mean. You will spread it and mix it also with the sand. So that's how we usually do it. So right now these are garden egg leaves. For this one, it has start producing seed. Yeah, seed gradually. See the seed. So when the seed ripe now, then this thing will start drying off. The stem will start drying. Then if you want to make it another time, what you have to do is to remove the dried stem, then spread manure on top of the bed and spread the seed of that garden egg or the pepper. Yeah, the seed of the pepper or garden egg. So that's how we normally do it. So that's all. No? Is it all? Well, if I remember another thing to tell you, I will also tell you. You can also put cassava on it, like this one's now. There's cassava on it. Yeah, there's cassava stem on it. Yeah, that's all. Other people's these are other people's garden egg farm. Look at this. So look at the pepper. See it. This one is going to the market. So this one has started producing. This one we did it last year. This one is last year pepper. Yeah, this one is going to the market for those people that want to cultivate it. pepper. So if you want to cultivate it, you can actually cultivate it also. So this is it.